Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. In the second video today we will take a look finally on the gold market, because it's a long time when we have taken a look at it previously and last time. So this is here guys the chart of the Canadian dollar. Since the second report in the weekend we have dedicated to Canadian dollar, and our major suggestion for Monday was retracement, because market stands at the support and the daily oversold, and we said that probably some upward bounce here should happen, and indeed right now it stands on the way, as you can see, the first leg of retracement, but potentially we have talked about the regardless cheaper to sell, if you remember. And this means that here actually another leg up could happen, just some kind of the ABCD retracement could be formed. Because don't forget that this is just the first drop on the Canadian dollar after our few months of the upward action, and that's why the Polish momentum still stands on the market, and actually the retracement normally to expect a bit deep retracement. So as you can see on the Canadian dollars, everything stands according to our trading plan. So let's see and wait a bit more to see what will happen with this retracement, because this is not time yet to go short. Scalp traders, of course, could take a look for this nicely looking regardless triple to buy that's forming. Maybe this will be opportunity for taking the long position. Right now, let's take a look at the gold. So on the gold market, why I'm to decide today to take a look at the gold, because it's coming to interesting situations, important level. On the daily chart, guys, if you remember, we have created a couple of weeks ago another trading plan, because our short-term target of 1262 has been reached based on this A, B, C top pattern. So 1262 XLP has been hit, and we said probably we need to increase the scale, because we don't have here any ABCDs that could specify another lower target. The only thing that we could add to our former view is maybe if we will treat this as the double top. In this case, another target could be met, is that double length of the tops counted in direction of the breakout from the neckline. So if you measure this, the height of the double tap pattern and counted in the direction of the breakout right from the neckline, you can see this market right now has hit the target of the double top as well. But our major new scenario suggests deeper targets, still 1210, 1215 area, because we're watching for this large A, B, C top COP target. This COP target sells 1210 approximately and coincides with major 618 FIB support on the gold markets 1215. But this is a bit extended view, and although market has passed significantly in the direction of this target, so it's from the 1216 right now 1240, it's very close to this destination point. But currently I am mostly interested with another moment. Take a look. So slightly lower stands at 1230 monthly pivot support one, this green line. To the left you could see the former lows approximately of 1233, 1232, and these lows were important because a lot of stops could be placed slightly below it. Right now market hasn't touched these stops yet. It's completed this target of the double top and shows minor bounce. But this is very important, because if we'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, guys, here we have two ABCDs patterns. First pattern is solid line, this blue line. This is the kind of patterns that I usually use when I'm taking when the ABCD stands in my direction. So I usually fade the starting point against the major top in trying to use the point where indeed the downward action has started. And in our scenario, this point stands approximately 13.55. Take a look here is also on top some kind of guarded steeple to sell. It's been formed, market collapsed. Based on this pattern, on the solid lines, the target stands at 12.36. But it stands very close to the previous lows, as I said. Gold market is rather cunning, and it very rare leaves behind the sweetie stops that have been placed below some important level. Because I would suggest that sooner or later, but these lows will be vanished by the price and stops will be grabbed. As a result, stops that will be triggered could push market slightly lower, right to the monthly pivot support, and automatically market could hit the major ABCD pattern right from the top. It's the dot line ABCD, and it has target is 12.26. This could provide very valuable opportunity for taking the short-term long trade, because as soon as market will drop here, hit the support, grab the stops, it could become the wash and rinse. The market could turn up and starting meaningful retracement. Some kind of the wash and rinse of these lows could happen. So guys, if you will see the signs of this process right at the bottom of this ABCD pattern, maybe some godless triple to godless butterfly pattern will be formed, something of that sort. And in general, if you will see the fast drop below 12.30 and fast return up in the way of the long-legged engulfing pattern, something of that sort, that will be the pattern that suggests the deep retracement up, and this will be good opportunity for a scalp trade, because here market actually has different targets in the same area. So this is ABCD target, this is target of this double top pattern, this is support, as you can see. So it's not bad area for just punishing some traders and grabbing the stops. So first of all, this will be the punishing of those who play stops here. Second, it will be punishing of those who are taking the short position on a breakout of these lows with the expectation of further continuation. So market could really show a bit dramatic action, and so be really a lot of screaming around this level. So this is very tricky moment, and but at the same time it could bring the very good opportunities for scalp trading. So keep an eye on that. On the hourly chart, guys, as you can see, market stands in this downward channel, and probably something we will see with this channel as well. So maybe, as I said, right closer to the 12.30, 12.25 area, some butterfly could be formed, maybe fast, and a failure breakout of this channel will be a market return at the cup. So just watch for the bullish signs. It's difficult right now to suggest what particular patterns could be formed, but I sense that something of that sort should happen here, because this is very typical for the gold market, this kind of action. The second stage of confirmation of the possible bullish action will be the breakout of this channel to the upside, but this will be already above 1240 probably, and I suppose that the trade will be close to the end if this will happen. So I do not expect very deep upward action, but even 30% retracement of this leg, retesting of the monthly pivot point, this will be already significant action. I just would like to warn you about this situation, and if you would like to take the short position, I think it's not good time yet. So wait for the bounce, wait for a clear up of these lows and for a deeper retracement first, if you'd like to go short. If you would like to go long and trying to take the part in this dramatic action that could appear here, just watch for bullish signs on the intraday chart, watch for the bullish patterns on the hourly chart. That will be the key for a position taken. But something interesting probably will happen here within the few sessions.